Have you heard about the latest trend in the healthcare industry? Because today we're talking about the ultimate matchmaker, artificial intelligence, and how we can revolutionize medicine. From personalized treatments to predicting disease outbreaks, AI is revolutionizing the medical field in ways that were once thought impossible. So, if you're ready to join the hype train, then grab a seat and let's explore the potential of AI in medicine. Who knows, you might just fall head over heels for this groundbreaking technology. Now, let's get into how robotics altered the healthcare system. These new developments are undoubtedly thrilling, and despite the many detractors worried about their potential to become fully autonomous, robotics have significantly improved our quality of life. The development of robotic technology has been especially beneficial and significant in the field of medicine, where accuracy is essential to saving patients' lives. The use of robotic technologies in healthcare has seen significant advantages for more than a century, but it wasn't until the middle of the 1980s that robotics became widely accepted to assist a variety of surgical and medicinal demands. Several experts in the field point to the first non-laparoscopic neurosurgery biopsy performed by using the Puma 560 robotic surgical arm as a historic occasion that heralded the start of the current era of robotic surgery. Since then, fast advancements in robotic technology have allowed for applications in a wide range of surgical specialties, including general surgery and colon, spinal, gynecologic, and urologic procedures. Robots are being employed to support medical staff and improve patient care outside of the operating room and in clinical settings. To help minimize exposures to viruses during the COVID-19 pandemic, for instance, hospitals and clinics are using robots for a far wider range of jobs. How is the operating room being revolutionized? Let's discuss how minimally invasive robotic surgery benefits patients and surgeons alike. The cause of surgical robots' quick and expanding uptake in the field of minimally invasive surgery are widely understood. As opposed to traditional open-body surgery, which can cause far more harm to healthy tissue and obvious scarring, these technologies enable surgeons to carry out a variety of treatments and reach target surgical areas with just a few small incisions in the body. Particularly in difficult to access parts of the body, some surgical robots now possess degrees of precision, flexibility, and mobility that are just impossible for a human. Advanced cameras with the ability to magnify and provide high-definition views of a surgical region, as well as, more recently, 3D imagery that is significantly superior to the human eye, are other tools that complement robotic technologies. Robotic surgery is increasingly regarded as the gold standard for many types of surgeries because of its benefits over traditional surgery. With the use of these technologies, it's now possible to enter many bodily locations in a way that is both safer and has been demonstrated to improve patient outcomes. Robotic tools made of modern materials and manufactured using sophisticated techniques are now compact and adaptable enough to access even remote locations. In recent years, advanced endoscopists and surgeons have also developed techniques to employ flexible robotic devices to carry out numerous surgeries via the body's natural endoluminal chambers, including the mouth, rectum, and genitalia. It's known as endoscopic surgery, and it allows surgeons to carry out a variety of operations without slicing into healthy tissue, considerably lowering the load on wound healing and scar tissue. Compared to conventional methods, minimally invasive robotic surgery can benefit patients in a variety of ways, including less discomfort during recovery, a decreased risk of infection, less blood loss, and shorter hospital stays. This is supported by a large body of evidence gathered since the 1980s. Although minimally invasive robotic surgery is well known to produce the best clinical outcomes for patients, it's typically only done in hospitals that can afford the equipment and personnel training required. Nonetheless, it's reassuring to observe that as patient demands rise, the number of hospitals and outpatient clinics offering these choices continue to grow quickly. New technologies are also enabling more remote, minimally invasive robotic surgical prospects, which could eventually open up access to millions more patients. As a result, by 2025, it's anticipated that the robotic surgery industry will top $7 billion. There's some advanced robotic surgery techniques and applications you haven't heard of, but these will be shared in this video, so let's get into it. Endoluminal robotic surgery. Several surgeons have investigated the use of endoluminal surgery, in which sites are targeted using biologically normal cavities or orifices. Because bulkier, less flexible instruments could only be used one at a time during an operation, endoluminal robotic surgery options have historically been constrained. But more recently, technology has progressed to allow doctors to employ up to 3 specifically designed surgical tools simultaneously. With the potential to be used in a wider range of therapeutic operations in the future, researchers are currently evaluating these cutting-edge technologies for endoluminal surgery in a variety of upper and lower gastrointestinal conditions. In vivo robots. To improve vision, doctors may be able to examine surgical sites inside the body from a variety of angles using small in vivo surgical robots. More perspectives and unrestricted manipulators made possible by the technology are intended to increase safety and lessen patient trauma. Additionally, they can be designed to actively participate in the execution of specific surgical procedures. A variety of surgeries, such as cholecystectomy, prostatectomy, and nephrectomy, can be performed using both fixed-based and mobile in vivo robots. Capsule robots. Capsule robots, which are miniature endoscopes, can be crucial in helping some surgical procedures as well as in diagnostic tests and targeted medicine delivery. They're often more compact than a typical medicine capsule, which can lessen the possibility of tissue damage and provide quicker accessibility. They're made of biocompatible casings and electronic circuitry that can be utilized for testing, such as in vivo body temperature sensing and pH monitoring, as well as image capture and transmission. Microbots. Microbots, which can be anywhere between a millimeter and a few microns in size, can enter the circulatory system and travel to a variety of target locations within the body to facilitate diagnostics and real-time disease progression monitoring. Potential uses include monitoring a diabetic patient's blood sugar levels, administering treatments right to tumors, or assisting with delicate procedures on the eye or even the brain. Surgical robots using machine learning to enhance the effectiveness of surgical robots in minimally invasive operations. Researchers are also looking into the usage of a variety of novel machine learning applications. By analyzing data and seeing patterns, machine learning will one day enable surgical technology to monitor, record, and forecast patient outcomes. The best ways to lower risk and enhance outcomes during a variety of surgical operations can then be identified and verified using this information, sometimes even in real time. We need to be educated on scientific advancements to better prepare for and adapt to the not-so-distant future where medical robots play a major role and collaborate closely with us. This will allow us to benefit from this technological revolution and avoid any potential risk. The usage of robots is revolutionizing healthcare and the healthcare sector, saving time, energy, and money, and ultimately enhancing patient care, which is where its actual value lies. This is true even if the technology is expensive and some of it is still years away from being deployed. In the years to come, opportunities to use these and other significant advancements in robotic technology for a wider variety of minimally invasive surgeries are likely to gain traction. More robotic technologies will be available to doctors, enabling them to deliver even higher levels of insights, precision, and control, while patients will be able to undergo minimally invasive procedures with an increased assurance regarding the risks and potential rewards, such as reduced trauma, accelerated recovery, and in many cases, no discernible scarring. To make these advantages a reality, medical device firms need to be in a position to provide thorough training and support for new robotic technologies, enabling doctors and healthcare facilities to quickly and efficiently embrace them. Given those factors, it's anticipated that in the coming years, the use of robotic technologies in surgery will increase significantly. As we've progressed, we appreciate your patience. Do you think AI will increase the rate of successful surgical operations in the world? You can comment below. I sincerely hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and activate post alerts. The next video will be with you soon.